I welcome you all to this video, and today in this video we are going to discuss about an example where we'll discuss about left NT and right NT joins. So I will simply click here on new query and it's going to open a new query window for us. And first of all, I will run simple select statements to see the data that we have. So I will simply write select star from table 1 and then select star from table 2. If I will select these two statements and will execute them, so you can see that this is the output that we have. Now, let's say we want to see the output of the left NT join when left NT join will be applied between these two tables. So I will write select star from table 1 left join table 2 on table 1 dot C1 is equal to table 2 dot C1, where table 2 dot C, you can write the name of any column from table 2 or the right table. You can write C1 or C3, any column. So let's write C1 here only. C1 is null. If I will now select the statement written from line 7 to 9 and if I'll execute it, you will see that this is the output corresponding to left NT join, or you can say that the values which are present only in the column 1 of left table, right? So this is how left NT join works. Left NT join. And that's all. If I'll talk about the right NT join, so first of all, let's execute the statements written in line 3 and 5 to see the data that we have. So this is the data that we are going to use. It's the same data that we have discussed in the last video. We are just seeing this example in SQL Server. So now let's write about right NT join. And here we can write select star from table 1 right join table 2 on table 1 dot column 1 is equal to table 2 dot column 1, where you can consider any column from table 1 or the left table. So we can write table 1 dot any column. Let's consider C2 column here. So C2 column is null. If I will now select the statement written from line 12 to 15 and will execute it, so you can see that this is the output corresponding to those values present in C1 column which are present only in the C1 column of right table. And this is how the right NT join works, and that's all. So I hope this video was helpful, and we'll meet in the next session. We'll discuss about other examples. We'll take some more questions to understand about other topics, other concepts in SQL Server. Till then, thank you.